the Sephora brand products. Some of them were half price, so I bought some. Start with, I got 2 masks. Lychee mask for moisturizing and glowing. Spirulina face mask for hydration and anti-pollution. We always need masks for mask night. I spent 100 points to try this. The Amika brand Perk Up Plus Extended Clean Dry Shampoo. I have a couple dry shampoos that I've used. I don't remember trying the Amika brand one. And I am traveling the end of the month. So I figured, let's try it. I'm currently using one, but when I spray it in, my hair is white and I look like way older. And I usually get a skunk stripe right there. So far I'm liking this one because it doesn't turn my hair white. My 2 free samples I got with my online purchase. This one, the Shiseido primer. A Whipped Dream by Kaja. It's the eye and cheek tints in 4 different colors. 2 eye pencils, cotton candy and silver glitter. And how beautiful is that? Look at how, you want pink? I got you pink. And the silver, look at that. Yes. I spent 100 points for this Makeup Forever eyeliner pencil. Looking forward to trying this one out. Boogie Nights, Wonderland, Lava Lamp. I'm in a purple pinky mood today, so let's try the purple. I got the foundation bag. Look at all this stuff. Got the Sephora Smooth and Blur Primer, the Milk Hydra Grip Primer, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, the Ilia True Skin Serum Foundation, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, Yummy Skin YSL All Hours Foundation, It CC Plus Nude Glow. Usually I'm a light, sometimes I'm a light medium. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. So the little packets work. I like these a little better. I won't be able to do a full face with this, but I could do a section of it and see. But then that is harder because I have to see how it wears too. Ooh, the Hourglass Veil. Ooh. Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. The Say Slip Tint. The Lancome, yay. Another one with the little tinies that I can swatch it and see color, but I can't see how it wears. Urgh. Pat McGrath. Because I had got a couple of these and tried them, I ended up buying the foundation, the full size, and I love it, which is kind of the idea of getting the samples. So companies, do more samples because they make you buy the product when you see how awesome it is. And then House Labs by Lady Gaga. And they have the new white one. I've got to say, I am intrigued.